The best, the gold standard for ensuring the integrity of the supply chain.
The consumer at the end of the day will get a much better product and a product that they can be very proud of.
We're extremely happy with the uptake so far. It seems to be a bit of a win-win for everybody.
Our goal is really to inspire also other brands, and that's why we are very happy that more and more brands are coming on board.
I think this is the only way for the whole outdoor branch to go this way, for the whole textile branch, because this is the only clean and healthy way.
The reason the North Face chose the bluesign standard was it provided a framework for our designers, our developers, and our sourcing teams as a way to think about product. And the most important part of that whole thing is that bluesign actually gets to the front end of our product cycle and actually deals with the chemical makeup of our fabrics and our materials. And it actually provides a whole entire environmental management system at the mill level. And so our resources at the mills are being used the most efficiently. And we know that the fabrics that we're going to be using to put into our products will be environmentally friendly and are also the most efficient products possible. So we are actually implementing it rather quickly. And so within about 6 to 9 months, we are starting to see bluesign fabrics within our product line. And by fall 10, we'll have quite a bit of product that will be bluesign certified. In terms of the consumer, the North Face believes that the bluesign will actually add a tremendous amount of value and quality to our product, already enhancing the integrity of our product. And so the consumer at the end of the day will get a much better product and a product that they can be very proud of.
Well, for environmental health and safety, it is clearly recognized as the best, the gold standard for ensuring the integrity of the supply chain. We're very interested in the complete environmental health and safety, both of the worker but also of the people who use the product. The next steps are really about understanding what the materials that we have in our supply chain and where we can actually migrate that product to bluesign certified materials. So that includes picking materials that are already certified, but also working with a lot of our mills to understand the value and the benefit of being bluesign certified or bluesign screened to produce bluesign certified material. I think that the most important thing is that we just better understand so that we can collectively reduce the environmental impact of our product. We believe that bluesign is one of the best ways to get there.
Our fabric development department has been working closely with bluesign, and being a bluesign member gives us the label that certifies that we are taking care of the way our products are produced. Our goal is really to inspire also other brands, and that's why we are very happy that more and more brands are coming on board, because if there's more brands on board, we have more power to force people to screen, let bluesign screen their company. We are not yet there. I think as a bluesign member, sooner or later all of our partner companies will be screened. But as for now, it's a process. It's an ongoing process.
Well, we saw bluesign to be the first industry initiative to really improve the supply chain. We've been thinking about our environmental footprint a lot on our own, and we're finding it very difficult to face the challenges on our own. So when we heard about bluesign and found out that we could have some industry experts, especially within chemicals, to help us, we were excited about that. And then when we understood the concept that was to try and persuade other members of the apparel community to get behind the initiative, as well as get the fabric mills and the factories to back the project, we just thought it was an ideal way to try and contribute and join the whole movement. And what we've started with now is to try and get our factories to be bluesign screened. So we actually invited all our Asian vendors to a meeting in Singapore last month, and one of the guys from bluesign was there, and we presented what we expected them to do, which is basically to join up in bluesign as well and get screened, and really have that as the starting point, that we can actually have clean fabric mills and factories as the first step. We're extremely happy with the uptake so far. It seems to be a bit of a win-win for everybody in the type of vendors and fabric mills we're using anyway.
We're convinced this is the only way to have a really secure and healthy production of your products all over. So we are willing to make everything in the bluesign standard. I think this is the only way for the whole outdoor branch to go this way, for the whole textile branch, because this is the only clean and healthy way?
Well, I think sustainability and environment is a top issue for the future. As a company who produce outdoor products, what are used in the nature, we also have to protect this nature. And I think we need somebody who is really experienced in those questions regarding sustainability, whatever. We need specialists, and that was the main reason to join bluesign, to get advice from this side.
Ich weiß, dass praktisch von der Wurzel keiner anfängt. Dass man hier Forschung, Wissenschaft und Produktion unter einem Hut bringt und dass man es auch so aktivieren kann, dass man sagen, es ist die best available Technologie weltweit. bluesign ist nicht nur der Polizist, sondern er ist der positive Polizist. Er sagt, Freunde, hier ist was falsch und das müsst ihr ändern. Aber was sie auch sagen, und das ist für jeden CEO entscheidend maßgebend, wie kann man sparen? Weil bluesign oder Ökologie heißt nicht teuer. Am Schluss kann das billiger werden.
Wir sind aber weitere Schritte nach vorne gegangen. Unter anderem sind wir als Systempartner von bluesign. Die Firma bluesign bewertet nicht nur das fertige Produkt, sondern wirklich der komplette Ablauf der Produktion. Vom wirklich ersten Schritt der Membranproduktion bis hin zum fertigen Produkt wird hier analysiert und wirklich darauf geachtet, dass umweltbewusst produziert wird. Und da sind wir natürlich stolz, dass Sympatex jetzt als Systempartner bei bluesign mit in der Familie ist. Bei bluesign haben wir einen richtigen Partner gefunden, der auch wieder das widerspiegelt, auf was es ankommt, nämlich umweltbewusst produzieren, Nachhaltigkeit und wirklich Oberstoffe in den Jacken zu haben, die absolut unbedenklich sind.
We've recently entered into an agreement with bluesign, and they take a little different approach, and they say, let's make sure that there's nothing bad in the process of making the product, which maybe you wash off before you send it off to be certified. It's a very nice approach to ensure that we're not using anything bad in the process as we make the final product. We're very happy that we've gone through with the bluesign process.